also. Okay, now we start the video. As you see that this is a Viva video app. I already installed, and you can install it from your Play Store and then open. I already installed and open it. Now click on this create button, photos. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how to edit your videos. I am picking some photos. You can also pick some small videos plus photos also. I'm picking some photos from here. Okay, some, I think that's enough. Now it's exporting. As you see that this is the transition of these photos. You can also add some more photos plus videos as well, and you can also change the transition. You can also add music. You can also add some voice over on these photos, and make a great video on this. And you can also use this video in your YouTube, in TikTok, and in another apps also. Okay, I'm adding some, first of all, canvas. By using canvas, this is none one how your video looks like. This is the option used for the TikTok especially, or for YouTube shorts as well. And this is the option for YouTube simple videos. Okay, I'm going to none. Okay, okay, done. Now add some music. Click on the music option, local music. You can also use the music which is present in your mobile phone, plus you can also use the music of the Viva video as well, but that are some short music. So I'm going to add music. And one thing more, if you want to make the videos for, if you are a new YouTuber and want a video using Viva video app, want to make a video using Viva video app, so you can download copyright free music. And from here you can download it from YouTube library. I also have a video on it. If you want to download copyright free videos, images plus music, I can also give the link in the description box, and you can also visit from there. Okay, I can use this music. Now this is okay. I think this is not good. We can change it also. Music, and yes, this one. Okay, this music is very loud. By default it is volume is 100, so I can also minimize and maximize the music as well. But in this case I can minimize the music because I want to make voiceover in this video as well. Okay, done. Now music, record also, done. Okay, I will show you. This is the music and this is the start recording. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Done. Now you can also use clips. You can also change the background of the picture, as this is a lot of colors. Recent, blur, photo. These are the colors. Guardian, plants. You can also use these backgrounds as well, as you can see. Okay, illusion, you can also use these backgrounds as well, but some of them are VIP, so you can use for free only. Okay, all these are the backgrounds. Texture, this is okay. Here are the all clips. So if you want to add these background or these changes on the single clip, You can also do it if you want to add these textures, background, whatever changes you have made with the all clips. You can also do that. Okay, now click on the done button. This is one thing more I want to show you. You can also split the picture or the video into as well. Duration. Okay, by default the one picture duration is 5 seconds, so you can increase or decrease this duration as well. Like this is 5 second, now this is 6 second, 10 seconds, or you can also decrease. I can decrease it by 4 seconds. Done. I can show you. Start recording. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, this is my new video. Okay. Wait. Now I'm going to show you text. This is the text stickers. You can also use stickers. You can also write some text on the photos or your videos as well. You can also use the filter. Like this is recent. Look at this. Show. Okay, none, hot. These are the textures. These are the textures I want to show you. Wait. Look, if you want to make these changes on the all clips, so press the button all clips. Done. The changes made on the all clips. Okay, now travel. You can also use these filters as well. Colorful, this one. A lot of options are there in the Viva video and you can use it, but make sure that if the VIP is here or the lock is made on the photo, so you can't use this because this is not free of cost. You have to pay for it, and we don't want to pay anything. We can use all of the free. There, look at this. This is VIP, so this is not allowed for free. You have to pay for it. But even then, there are a lot of options that are free for use. So why should we pay for it? Foodie, look at this. Dream, okay, changes, fresh, this one. A lot of options are there. Okay, done. Now, all these are. You like it? Okay. Okay, now one thing I want to show you. I want to show you that you can also change the transition as well. This is the transition which is by default use. You can also use this transition. Welcome back to, welcome like back this. To, welcome back to, welcome back to, welcome back to, if you want to this transition on the all clips, you can also use it. This is the another transition. This transition is also. These are the options. Wait. These are the options. Now this some of them are VIP, so don't use VIP again. This is also good. Welcome back to. Welcome back to. Okay, shutter. This is also advanced features. Roman 3D, geometric, shake. Yeah, you can also use this. Okay, this is VIP. Camera, slide, glitch. Okay, done. Now you can also delete as well. Rotate the picture as well. Look at this. It can also rotate. Transition I already shown. Duplicate means you can also make another copy of this picture, like the same copy of this picture. This means duplicate. Text I already shown. Filter I already shown this. Now click on the save button because our video is ready. Normal, this is exporting, and many friends asking that when the video is export, where does it goes? It goes to your gallery,